Hey my love, you want to learn how to cook this yummy jollof rice? Then stay glued to this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel because we do tutorials, lifestyles and cooking. So let's make this yummy jollof rice. In here I have my pepper mix, comprises of fresh pepper, shombo, tatashe. I also added some onions, some garlic and also some curry leaf. All of this is optional, just do it the way you want it. I'll always say there's no one way to preparing a meal. Just go ahead and do you, but follow step by step all from this video. So for protein, I'll be using chicken. This is just me trying to spice up the chicken. I add some bouillon cubes, some blended fresh pepper and also spices for taste, and also added some onion to it, then stir for a while. Mind you, I didn't add any water, I just covered it to boil for some minutes. Then I went back to check on our pepper mix, which is already dry. Also do the same for our chicken. I went back to check on it and it has already boiled out the water from it and it's already drying up, so I had to add some water to it. Then I left to boil for some minutes, approximately 10 minutes depending on how soft you want the chicken to be. I did let my own chicken boil for a while because I wanted to fry it, so I put my fry pan on fire, put my oil and then added some onion to it. Now a quick one guys, tell me, how do you like your fried meat to look like? Golden brown, burnt or still fresh? Me, I like mine to look a bit burnt, so tell me how you like yours in the comment section. Now it's time to prepare our main meal, which is the rice. I use the same groundnut oil that I used to fry the meat for this. This helps for both taste and aroma. I mean, there's no need adding a new groundnut oil to the pot again, so the one you used to fry the chicken is actually better. In the hot oil I added my onion and curry. That alone is another bang. The kind of smell or aroma you're getting from the kitchen right now is top notch. Then after that I added my paste to the oil. I stir for a very long time because I won't want my tomato paste to slap at the end. I fried it for about 10 to 20 minutes until I get this type of look. All you just have to do is to keep stirring. Then I added my pepper mix. I started stirring that also. I stirred for about 5 to 10 minutes because the tomato mix had already cooked on fire, so there's no need to leave it too much on the fire. Then I added my meat stock, which is the water from our parboiled chicken. I stirred for a very long time just to get a certain consistency I want. Then after some minutes I add some Maggi into it. I also went ahead to add some spices. I used lasso chicken for this, and trust me, there's this confidence these spices gives my food. I also added Mevina, which is also one of the spices I use for this, and then also added kitchen glory. Mind you, depending on the portion of rice you're cooking, you should make sure to add this little by little and not all at the same time. It just depends on the kind of taste you want. Make sure when you add, you stir and then you test it. Then I also added my crayfish. Please be generous with that crayfish, it is highly needed. At this point, if you look at the base of that, it is now looking like a stew, and that is the exact consistency we need. So I covered for a while, allow it to boil for like 5 minutes. Then I went ahead to pour my rice in. I only washed the rice, I didn't parboil it. But if you're not sure of yourself in this, just go ahead and first parboil before pouring it in. Don't mind them when they say, don't turn it to burn too much. It is a lie. My dear, you need to stir that food for it to marry together. Just stir properly and add water, and please be mindful, a little water. It should be, if possible, at the same measure of your rice in the pot or a little bit above it. Then I also added my bay leaf. Some people add their bay leaf while they are still trying to make the sauce for the rice, but I prefer to add mine after adding the rice. Then you cover, stir and allow to boil for some minutes. An important disclaimer, please, while making jollof rice, don't boil on a high heat. On a very low heat is the best. If not, you're going to get a very burnt rice. Jollof rice basically needs heat to boil, not actually the fire. And with the low heat, you can actually turn your food as much as you want and it won't get burnt. So after that, I covered my food and then opened for some minutes just to check up on it and know how it's doing. And at this point, it's gradually coming together. In fact, it has come together already. I didn't want my water to dry so much, so I just get to bring the food down when there's still a little bit of water in it. If you test this rice, you're going to bite your fingers, trust me. I served it with salad and it came out very nice. Everybody in the house enjoyed it. Make sure to ask any question in the comment section. I'm always here to give you answers. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and also your notification button so you can be notified when I post videos. Please enjoy. Bye.